Alright, welcome back guys. I'm gonna try and do this quick and fast. I have another unboxing for you, plus I did some shopping this weekend for the whole TSO Take Style weekend, and I think I made some really nice purchases that I wanted to share. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to do the unboxing first, then I'll jump into the Take Style purchases. So first on the list is I bought a car vacuum and tire inflator. Gentlemen, ladies, you may want to grab one of these. I'll drop the link in the description, send you a link to where you can purchase it. I got it for around $40. I think it was a good buy. So let's jump into it. Alright, so get a hose, get a filter, then this connects to the hose for like a more narrow vacuum. Yeah. And this is to connect to your tire for when you're trying to pump some air in, You get a little bag in that one, which I think is really cute. Yo, get a bag, which is really tough. Batman, that's it. Alright, anyways, get a bag. I think this is really cute. Nice to keep vibe. And jump into it. So yeah, this is the vacuum, guys. Nice build. It's digital, so I guess for your tire pressure and all of that, you can definitely monitor it on the side there. Oh, it has a flashlight. Comes to a flashlight. Has different powers on the vacuum. Nice build, and it's black, so definitely my pick. And I'll give you guys a review on it in terms of like how it functions, if it's any good. Based on the comments on Amazon, I think it's pretty good. It's a good suction and tool, so I'll definitely let you guys know how that goes. Alright, so that's the first unboxing. On to the next. Alright, so I decided that I am somewhat renovating my spot in Montego Bay. There are a couple of things I started planning for it. I'm going to do a video when I'm actually there, just to kind of show you what's been going on that side. But one of the things I bought for my apartment is smart lock. Yeah, sorry I put it already, guys, but yeah, it's a smart lock. I got this for probably like $150. And of course, the link will be in the description. But yeah, once I do the whole setup in Montego Bay, I'll definitely show you how it works. Here it is. And then there's this other piece. For this, it has 5 different ways of unlocking. You have the option of fingerprint reader. You can enter a code. You have the option to push a key. You also have the option to use your card, and then you have the option to unlock it via phone. Right? So those are 5 ways you can use to unlock this smart lock, which I think is pretty cool. On the package you actually get two cards to use. You get some keys one time, and then there is the lock itself. I'm not going to jump into this too deep. I will show you the whole setup, as I said, once I get to Montego Bay. But I always wanted to try the whole smart lock feature. I'm seeing that I'm trying to build out the whole smart home feature in the apartment. So I'll definitely give you the review on that. So we're jumping into the whole TSO purchase. And take style out here in Jamaica. It's pretty much how we get like deals from the various stores. And I decided when I was in St. Elizabeth for work, just drop in. So I decided to drop in was Maxi. Alright, big up Maxi. I think you guys did well for that weekend. Definitely got some deals. So for everything that I'm about to show you, I ended up spending probably, it was a bit over $10,000, 10,000 Jamaican, right? So that's probably like around $80 US. And I got these two pillows, right? But I like how the light hits the design. But these are actually bought for my spot in Montego Bay. And I'll take some pictures and share with you on the gram, just so you know what type of feel and look it gives. But I got these for both of them for $1,000. Then I saw this in there as well, gel pillow, and I picked this up for $1,000 as well. Very soft. In all honesty, I didn't need it, but I said, yo, it didn't hurt. You never know when you will need something like this. Made a purchase for this measuring cup. I've been doing cooking and stuff, and actually it was a gift. I'm not gonna lie, it was a gift. So start Christmas shopping and I never really knew it again, but it was on sale because in Maxi I think you're getting 20% off. Rock glasses, yeah. I got a pair, and for the pair it cost me like $500. And I also got this decanter. Just dropping cheese in a little bit. Yeah, that's the type of vibe. And this was around $600. And remember, all of these is with like 20% off. Alright. So I made another purchase of this. I like the nice cute decor stuff, and I think this was really cute. I kind of like the dimensions of the base of it, and this was definitely applied for my apartment in Montego Bay. I got this light set as well, pretty nice. Actually the color is what got me. I kind of like the whole dark brown look, wood feel, and then there's the amber glass. And the cool thing about this, you can drop a plant or something inside, and has the light function, which again I'm going to show you how all this adds up on the Instagram page, so you can follow me on Instagram just to stay up to date with all these decor stuff. I got these as well, which are like some artificial branches. I'm not going to use it with this, but the idea is to probably have some branches in this and wrap the lights around it, that type of vibe. type of thing, you know. Have a little use. Actually bought this to go with these. My apartment in Montego Bay, black all over. I got these for, let me tell you, $190. You can't see it on the top, but $190 each, and that's a 20% off. I got this here for $7.90. I got this for was $1,890, and this was 20% off as well. This I got for $920, and it was 20% off as well. So as you can see, I got some nice deals. This I thought was really cute. This was my only disappointment. This was $1,390 with 20% off, but it's supposed to light up, but the light function isn't working on this, so I'll be disappointed here. And I bought this to pretty much stick a candle in. Actually bought an artificial candle, but they forgot to pack that. So my only disappointment, Maxi, number 2 like that, but I'm gonna make it work. And I'm gonna drop this. This was also a gift. I'm gonna just probably put it around the house, seeing that it's not working. But I'm sure I'm going to find some candles to drop inside. Alright guys, bam. Here, alright. So while I was leaving, this caught my eye. Black, yeah? You don't know the story. This was $1,790, and this was 20% off. So I loved it, wanted it for my spot in Montego Bay. Decided to get it. But I just couldn't leave it empty. Decided to get these as well. These were $255 each, and it was 20% off. And bam, that type of vibe. Probably drop some stones in this. And yeah, I think that's pretty damn cute. But yeah, that's the vibe, guys. Once I set up everything, I definitely will be taking some pictures, dropping on the gram, so you can definitely look out for that. As I say, everything that I showed you, I pretty much got for just above $10,000, right? Which I think was a steal. I must still keep you guys updated on all my purchases. I have some more stuff coming in, so I'm going to be doing some more unboxings soon. So thanks for tuning into this one. Remember, like, subscribe, share with a friend.